fishy business. And now I will tell you about this story.
Happy birthday to you.
It was my birthday. At long last, I was 11 years old. I felt very grown up. I was excited because Uncle Ted, Mom's brother, was coming. At last he came. He gave me a long thin puzzle. The puzzle was wrapped up in bright blue paper. I polluted the paper of the puzzle excitedly. Inside was a brand new fishing rod. I said to my uncle that it was the best fishing rod in the world. I asked my uncle to teach me to fish. The next day, Uncle Ted arrived bright and early to take us fishing. We arrived at the stream. The stream looked beautiful. Uncle Ted explained to us how to use the fishing hook and the landing net. But fish weren't beaten that day. The next day we came to the stream again, but still no one caught a single fish. Near the stream was an old farmhouse. This crab was owner of it, and he made a factory from this farmhouse. Mary and me went to this factory because we wanted to look it like a ruin. My sister Mary walked carefully down to the water's edge, and she saw lots of dead fish. We were very frightened and rushed to Uncle Ted. We told him about dead fish, and he wanted to see dead fish by his own eyes. But when we came there again, there were no dead fish. We were shocked. Where had understood. Suddenly we saw Sid Scarab. He was very angry. Uncle Ted said him about dead fish, but he laughed and said, nonsense. But we did see dead fish. We decided to solve this mystery. And next night we came to the stream again. The strange sound came from the farmhouse. It was sound of some liquid. Then the liquid tipped into the stream. Sid Crab and his brother are polluting the stream below. We wanted to tell everybody about it, and we arranged a meeting at our village. We made a big notice where we wrote about the meeting and put it up in the shop window. Lots of people come to our meeting, but nobody believed us. Then we decided to go to the inspector. The inspector checked the old farmhouse and he found nothing bad at all. I had a perfect plan. The next day we came to the stream again. And we started to wait. Finally, when brothers started to do their fishing business, I took out my mobile phone and pressed the video button. I recorded them when they doing their fishing business. We are ready to show it to inspector. The inspector was shocked. Right away he closed their factory, right? People became evil with Uncle Ted because they lost their job. They decided to have a meeting. At the meeting, we showed this video to the peoples, and Mary had a great idea. Her idea was to make a factory from palm oil, a nature reserve. Everybody liked this idea. All people called rock at our nature reserve because they have lots of skills. We write an inspector about our idea and he said yes. I made a big notice where I wrote, "Welcome to the Old Palm House Nature Reserve." People were happy and I was happy too.